many more people in this room than I thought there were going to be. I'm really glad I wore my lucky socks. Almost there. Okay. I'll just start. So, hello everybody. Welcome to my Capstone project presentation. My project is Pickup. It's a web application that has to do with pickup sports. My name is Sam Smith. My client was Miguel Poblete, and my advisor was Kevin Cahill. So the problem that pickup players deal with is finding a reliable pickup game. You have to deal with flaky friends, unforeseen circumstances, it raining. I know we all wish it would rain more, but it sucks when you're playing sports. And then also playing sports is a social thing. And you don't want something that's annoying to be social. You want it to be fun. So this is where Pickup comes in. Pickup, like I mentioned, is a web application. It aims to find the user the best pickup game suitable for them. It works by allowing users to view and join courts. When a user joins a court, it updates the network as a whole so that other people can see which courts are empty or full. It also makes pickup games and sports what they're supposed to be, fun and worry-free. So now a quick demo real quick. To be redundant, this is the one time where we'll let people get on their phones. You know who you are. So I'm just going to create a court really quick. The GPS is a little iffy on the desktop, so it thinks we're in Seaside right now. But that's okay. We'll adjust if I can remember where CSUMB is. So the AutoRec Center is right here. You can even see it says basketball court. Thank you, Google, doing my job for me. Gonna name it the AutoRec Center. If we wanted to, we could add an image. It's a public court, and it's a basketball court. So I'm gonna create it. Go to our handy dandy list. Here's our court. Oh God, I've got to leave and join now. And now you join. And as you can see, some people are already joining the court. We can see people pick up in real time. Wow, reload it. Nice. So you can see who's there. It updates. Obviously, that's a bug. Yay. Back to the presentation. So how I built Pickup. My methodology broke down into 3 phases: design, coding, and testing. Oh, yeah. Design moved from initial sketches to 3 designs to 2 paper prototypes, and finally 1 finished design. Testing was nestled both into coding and design. I tested a paper prototype, like I mentioned, to see if the users appreciated my design. And after I finished my app's basic functionality, I tested it multiple times to make sure things were working. Clearly, not enough. So this is an example of some of my methodology. On the left, you can see an earlier design. On the right, you can see the finished design. Something users mentioned was that they wanted more color in the app, so you can see the different changes to navigation. They also felt like the information was too clumsy and clustered in the first one, so I spaced it out into 4 easy quadrants. You can easily tell where the court is, how many people are there, etc. So what I used to build Pickup. I used Adobe Illustrator for the design assets. I used Twitter Bootstrap and CSS3 for the look and feel of the application. I used AngularJS and HTML5 for the front end and skeleton of the application. And I used Firebase.js for the database and backend. So what I learned that Capstone is a marathon, not a sprint. Sometimes I was blinded by what was right in front of me, like these lights. But I took a step back and saw the whole picture. Also, testing is incredibly valuable. Testing was the most important part of my project, as you can see. And I think building something that just works or looks good isn't enough nowadays. You need something that a user wants to use and it's proven they want to use. I also strengthened my knowledge of JavaScript with frameworks like Angular and Firebase. And I learned that Trello is my friend. For anyone who doesn't know what Trello is, it's a project management tool. It allowed me to see what I had to do on a specific day and also how I was doing over the whole project. So thank you for listening to my Capstone presentation. If you'd like to learn more, please go to pickupsportsapp.com or visit me in my poster session in room 110. Thank you.